In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to add or remove a device from AppleCare One. Let's get started. First, launch your Settings app. Now head over to the option General. Here you're going to find the option of AppleCare and Warranty. Click on that. Under AppleCare One Devices, tap Add Device. Choose the device you want to add. If the device appears under Ready to Add, follow the on-screen instructions to complete enrollment. If the device shows Action Needed, you may need to complete a device check for inspection before it can be added. Note, if the device already has AppleCare Plus, adding it to AppleCare One will transfer coverage to AppleCare One and cancel the previous AppleCare Plus plan. Likewise, to remove, you'll need to come to the same page. Now select the device you want to remove, tap Remove Device, confirm by tapping Remove Device again. That's it. This way you can easily add or remove a device from AppleCare One. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.